This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Patlocker. Largest lot in the neighborhood, 1/3 acre. Extremely well cared for 3-bed, 2-bath home with 2-car garage. Open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, rounded corners, and new flooring are just a few of the many features of this wonderful 1-story floor plan. Master suite west / walk-in closet and private glass slider to backyard patio. Fenced backyard with RV parking, patio, sports court west / basketball hoop, dog kennel and storage shed. For more information, review the details below.